Let's learn construction vehicles. These machines are big and powerful. They dig, lift, carry, and build. Dump truck. A dump truck has a big bed that goes up to dump sand and rocks. It helps build roads and houses. Excavator. An excavator has a bucket for digging. It can scoop dirt and make big holes. Concrete mixer truck. It has a big drum that spins around to mix cement. It brings wet concrete to the construction site. Mining dump truck. It is huge and carries heavy rocks from the mine. Its wheels are taller than people. Front loader. It has a big bucket in the front to lift sand, gravel, or snow. It is very strong. Motor grader. This machine easily levels the ground, making it smooth and flat. It helps build roads. Mobile crane. It has a tall arm that can lift heavy things high in the air. Skid steer loader. It is small and fast, with a bucket in the front. The skid steer carries small loads over short distances. Bulldozer. Big blade in front to push dirt, rocks, or snow. It clears the way. Excavator with a hammer. Instead of a bucket, it has a hammer to break rocks and concrete. Backhoe loader. A backhoe loader can dig holes and quickly load dump trucks with its big bucket. Tower crane. It is very tall and lifts heavy things high on buildings. This is a trencher. It digs long, narrow holes in the ground for pipes and cables. Bucket wheel excavator. It It is giant and has a big wheel with buckets to dig tons of dirt. Logging truck. Logging truck carries big logs from the forest to the mill. Drilling rig. It drills deep holes in the ground for water, oil, or gas. Scraper. It scrapes up dirt and moves it to another place. Asphalt paver. It lays fresh asphalt smoothly on the road. Road roller. It is heavy and rolls on the ground to make it flat. Road milling machine. It cuts and removes old asphalt so new roads can be built. Can you guess which one is the bulldozer? Excellent! You got it right. That's bulldozer. Which picture has the front loader? Way to go! That's the front loader. Let's see if you can find the skid steer loader. Great job! You found it! That's the skid steer loader. Can you show me where the hydraulic hammer is? That's right! You found the excavator with hydraulic hammer. show me the mining dump truck? You nailed it! That's the mining dump truck. Where's the mobile crane hiding? Awesome! You got it! That's the mobile crane. Which picture shows the backhoe loader? Great job! That's the backhoe loader. Where's the excavator hiding? Awesome, you got it! That's the excavator. Can you show me where the dump truck is? That's right! You found the dump truck. Can you tell me where the grader is? Nice work! You pointed to the right one. That's the grader. Which picture shows the cement mixer? Great job! That's the cement mixer. Can you guess which one is the trencher? You got it right. That's the trencher. see if you can find the drilling rig. Great job, you found it! That's the drilling rig. Can you show me the tower crane? You nailed it! That's the tower crane. Which picture has the logging truck? Way to go! That's the logging truck.
Which vehicle is a different color? Great job! All the trains are black, but the excavator is yellow. Which car is the odd one out by color? That's right. All the cars are yellow, but the fire truck is red. So it needs to go. Pick the picture with the car. That's a different color. You got it! The blue cement mixer is the odd one out. Which car would you take away now? Well done! You need to take away the green garbage truck. Which vehicle doesn't match now? Exactly! The blue dump truck doesn't belong. Can you find the vehicle that doesn't match? Of course, we need to take away the orange front loader. Show the vehicle that needs to go. That's right. The green bulldozer should be removed because all the other vehicles are white. Can you guess which car is the wrong color? You found it! It's the white street sweeper, 'cause the rest are orange cars.